Hey guys, Scrappy Case 2. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but I have not been in great health. As many of you know, I have, what do I have? Neuropathy. And it's been really kicking my booty here lately, so I haven't really been in my craft room much. But I did get this card done for a friend of mine that I work with. She's having a baby boy, of course, and so I had this digital stamp printed out along with some other ones that just happened to be in blue. So I thought I would do the card with this digital stamp, and I had cut out this, I think this is a spellbinder. It's one of them gold ones that you put, you know, you have the outside already with different, like this is an outside one and this one here is an outside one, but then these ones in the middle and these ones here are ones that I forget what they call, but they're the gold ones that just make, most of them make just like impressions, but some of them do cut like these here, and I think I don't have that anymore because I've had this cut out for a really long time. That's just been sitting on my desk, and I had already cut this out too because I knew eventually I would probably need to do a baby card, and sure enough, got to do one. So I thought I'd go ahead and do it on this. This for baby, and this little banner here, I did it 3D. I cut it out, and this stamp here is from well, maybe I put it up too. I'm sorry. I think it's a it's a Just Right stamp. It's one of those that's just got baby stuff on it. So I did that in the front, and then I put some little things on it and put my stamp on the back. But I had to do it with a thing in the crease here because I didn't make it to where it was an actual card, so I just had to make it one. And then this stamp, this is a red rubber stamp, and I forget where it's from. I think it's the Stampin' Place, maybe. This one is from that that same other one that I just told you about. And then I had these laying on my desk too, and they happen to be in blue, so I put those on there. And then I'll just write her a little note. I'm gonna get her an Amazon card. She's registered at Amazon. I didn't know you could do that. with I guess it's getting to that time where you're gonna be able to do everything, you know, online register, you know, without it being one of these stores that are around you. It's an online store kind of. Anyway, but that's the card. I thought it came out really cute. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna like put some shimmery stuff on the blue parts, and I don't want to do too much else to it because I'm afraid I'm gonna mess it up, mess up the image. So I'm just gonna do the shiny stuff, and that'll probably be it. So anyway, let me know what you think about it, and we'll talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.